Pelvic floor training enhances male sexual health by improving control, endurance, circulation, and overall intimate confidence. This exercise targets the pubococcygeus muscle, essential for erections, ejaculation control, and pelvic stability. To locate the muscle, imagine stopping urine flow or gently preventing the passing of gas. This internal lift identifies pelvic floor muscles without engaging the abdomen, thighs, or glute muscles. Correct posture supports precise muscle isolation and maximizes effective pelvic floor activation. Begin a gentle internal squeeze and lift using slow, deliberate, and controlled muscle engagement. Maintain the contraction for 3 to 5 seconds without straining, breath holding, or excessive tension. This sustained squeeze builds muscle mass, strength, and functional support essential for male performance. After holding, completely release the muscles for 3 to 5 seconds. Full relaxation prevents fatigue, preserves muscle integrity, and supports healthy pelvic blood circulation. Relaxation restores oxygen flow, promotes recovery, and prepares muscles for the next contraction. One full squeeze, hold, and release cycle equals 1 complete repetition. Aim for 10 to 15 slow, controlled repetitions to complete 1 full set. Completing 3 full sets daily produces measurable improvements in pelvic strength and control. Consistent repetition builds endurance, enabling muscles to sustain functional support longer. Over time, results transition from temporary activation into lasting functional enhancement. Stronger pelvic muscles improve urinary control and directly enhance sexual performance.
Improved circulation and muscle tone support firmer erections and better ejaculatory control.
Focus, patience, and control are essential for achieving lasting pelvic floor benefits.
Practice this routine daily to experience meaningful improvements in male sexual health.
Always listen to your body and progress gradually without unnecessary strain. Consult your doctor for medical advice. This video is educational, not professional medical care.